Hi there, I'm Brad Poole with Encore Networks. Today we're going to pick up right where we left off in our Onetalk video series. In the first video we showed you how to connect one of the desk phones with one of the cell phones over the Encore EN2000 router. We connected the EN2000 router via the gray cable directly to the first phone. Then we're able to use the LTE connection to make phone calls. We're able to transfer calls to the first phone back and forth from the cell phone. Everything worked just fine. Now we're going to step it up a notch and we're going to show you how to do things in a little more complex environment. First, we're going to connect the second desk phone and we're going to do it using a standard 8-port switch. This is not included in the demo, but most of people have these laying around and it's indicative of your existing infrastructure, right? So what we've done is we've connected the EN2000 from the LAN port. The gray cable goes to the switch. Then we've connected the first phone via the red cable, and then the second phone via the orange cable. This way, EN2000 is providing internet to both of these phones through the switch. Both phones have their own IP address and can make simultaneous calls to different numbers, which I'll show you now. So there's the first one ringing. Hello? And there's the second one ringing. Now that you're able to make calls with both of these phones, you can do a lot of other things with them. You can transfer calls between them, you can use the conference call feature, you can park calls for pickup in other places, but all these things are not the focus of this video because Sova, our partner, has already covered these things in their own set of Onetalk videos. And I'll talk more about Sova in a minute, but what I want to show you now is how to connect this whole setup, both phones and the EN2000, to your existing internet setup. For instance, using this router, which we'll just use as our existing internet, you can plug directly into the WAN port of the EN2000. By default, the EN2000 operates in cellular failover mode. Cellular failover mode means that when there's no WAN connection present, it'll operate through LTE, which is what we've been doing so far. Now that I've plugged in this green cable to the WAN port, it will turn off the LTE and begin functioning over the existing internet provided by this other router. Should this internet connection ever go down, it'll turn the LTE connection back on, meaning these devices and anything else connected to the switch will continue to have access to the LTE internet. So that means this is a great option for business continuity. Connect laptops or whatever else you want to connect to this switch and all run it through the LTE. So we recommend you set up the Onetalk demo kit just like we have here. Router, 2 phones, and a switch, and connect it to your existing internet connection and see how it goes. If you have any problems, or if you want to try some of the advanced features that I talked about earlier, that's where we recommend you contact Sova. Sova has a special offer for people using the Vienna Channels demo kit now. If you call the number on your screen, they will walk you through how to forward calls from your existing phones to the Onetalk phones, how to set up an auto receptionist group. They'll do a whiteboarding session to map the call flow of your entire network, and they'll also show you the best place to put an EN2000 in your current network in order to provide business continuity for all your existing devices. You do have to call and schedule the meeting, but it's a great way to get some hands-on assistance with your Onetalk demo kit. This has been Brad Poole with Encore Networks. We hope this has been a helpful demo for you. We hope that you'll give Sova a call, and we thank you for watching.